Looks like I'm having a dandelion feast again. All right, what did we say? The third anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy number 3 anniversary.
Loreen,
Cheers
happy
to van life. So we've got candied pears and actually I could have put apples in there. In fact, candied pears and bananas.
Yeah.
And yummy, delicious
Ginger cookies. That look amazing.
Actually, let's put your bottle is right in front of it.
Cheers.
So let's just see what it's going to taste like.
Oh my God, it's delicious. Yeah, really good.
Fried in coconut oil because I don't have butter. I would have used butter. And
you should have told me
milk.
I have butter.
Oh, because butter is such a treat for me.
I'm French, right? So
and coconut.
French cook a lot with butter.
Coconut sugar.
It's really good.
Oh
it's
my gosh.
Delicious.
That banana and the brown sugar is so good.
Yeah. Between the truckers and the highway nearby, I just needed some silence. So I actually had a really good sleep. Now I have to leave because they wanted me to leave by 8 o'clock and it's about 7 o'clock in the morning right now. I am on my trip. I'm officially on my trip now. I'm on my own. That's the intention on this trip, is to catch up with some friends, childhood friends, lots of childhood friends, young adult friends, like pre-baby friends. Really looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot of fun. So this is where I spent my night last night. I've never stayed in a truck stop before. It's my first time ever. But I confess I put in my earplugs. Look at this ground. I think it's so interesting. Little craters, that's it. Okay, so I am making my way up through Manning Park. Uphill. I haven't taken Big Blue up this kind of hill before. She's working hard. Come on, girl, you can do it. of the rain, and it's been nothing but miserable since I left the West Coast. Woo! Eeks. He wasn't driving slowly, was he? He's getting his speed up because he's going downhill. He's trying to get his speed up to go back up the hill. I'm on a twisty, turny road right now. But I've driven on roads like this before on Vancouver Island. It's not that big a deal. The mountains are higher here though. Well, I got to the Hope Slide area, but as you can see, it's completely fogged in, and my ears are completely plugged as well. Can't see it. Pretty devastated for the little bit I can see though. The weather is pretty horrible. Don't feel like venturing out into it. It's cold and drizzly and wet. Yes, I am hungry. My heater's on. It's nice and warm in here. The slide is still there. So I'm making myself a fruit salad. So far I have strawberries and a blossom pear and yogurt.